If you're on weight loss journey, please stop buying watery Greek yogurts outside. I just made a very thick Greek yogurt at home that keeps you full longer with just 2 ingredients. If you're interested, please keep watching. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. Good. So today let's make Greek yogurt. This is me showing you the gram of milk I will be using. It is 800 gram on the milk, but I will cut it into half. I'll be using just 400. So I'm using full cream milk. So I showed you guys the cup I'll be using to measure it. I'll be using 4 cups of full cream milk. That is 400 gram. Okay, just because the 1 cup is 100 grams, so 400 should be 4 cup. Yeah, I don't know if you understand. I could have finished the whole 800 gram, but I was so scared because I was like, I don't know how it will come out, right? So yeah, and not only that, I was like, are you sure it will enter in where I will be putting it? So yeah, this is me measuring the 4 cups of full cream milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I decided to use full cream so it will make it thicker. If you understand what I mean by that. Yeah, so this is me showing you guys the process of what I did. Okay. So yeah, if you want, you can actually do the whole 800 gram. If you like, you cut it. I decided to cut it because I really don't know how it will come out and where I'll be storing it. We all know that Greek yogurt is quite expensive in the market. Hence, I decided to be doing my own since I'm in this weight loss journey, right? So this is my hot water. I boiled hot, clean water beforehand. Yeah. So the white thing in the water is just the milk from the cup you get. Yes, so this is me mixing it. I'm supposed to be like mixing it as I'm pouring the water. But yeah, you guys know my camera stand. I'm so sorry to say this. My keys broke something from the tripod, and here I am trying to hold the small tripod I'm using so it will not fall inside the hot water with my phone. So yeah, this is me pouring 8 cups of hot water. Yeah, you can actually pour 4 cups of hot water and 4 cups of cold water. But me, I decided to pour 8 cups of boiled water, right? Yeah. Then you start to mix it very well. You really have to mix it very well to break all the milks. Like mix it till there is no lump again. You have to mix it. So at this point, if you like, you can just mix it, and just let it to be cool, like warm, before you can add your live kosher or as your starter or your any Greek yogurt that has live kosher, right? But me, after mixing, okay, yeah, let me continue. So this is me mixing. Let me till I get to that place. You have to really turn it very well. Please remember, because you don't need that lump inside your milk. Even at a point, I had to bring out spoon to still break the ones that refuse to you get. So you really have to mix very well. Yeah. So at a point after I mixed, okay, this was where I used spoon to break it. Yeah, you can see there is no lump again. This is me checking for lumps. I'm so sorry if this voiceover is all over the place. Okay, I don't really like doing voiceovers. Yeah, so this is me showing you guys the milk, right? It's already dissolved, no lumps again. Yeah. So at this point, you can decide not to boil it. But me, I want to boil it to make it thicker, right? So this is me turning it. If you want to make it thicker, it will still be thick even if you don't boil it. If I use hot water, but I decided to boil it. It's optional, right? Yeah. So this is me removing this. I don't know what that is from the milk after boiling. Yeah, it just came up on the milk. I will just remove. Please do remove it, okay? Yeah, this is me showing you guys. Then after removing it, you let it cool. That warm water. This is cool here. It's cool here. It's warmer now. You you can at least dip your hand in it. It's not that hot. So this is live cultured milk. You see the live culture from the ingredients. I added 2 spoons. So if you're using the 800 gram, if you're doing 800 gram, you add 16 cups of warm water, as in hot water, and 4 cups of this one Greek yogurt that has live culture. You get, for me, it was 400 gram, and I am using just 2 spoons of the Greek yogurt. Then after putting it, you have to turn it very well so that it will sorry, you see that brown something, my milk got burnt down, so I had to remove it and pour it inside another container. Then I stir it very well to make sure there is no other lump there, and to mix the Greek yogurt. Then after mixing it, you now put it inside, cover it in a container that has lid, right? Then you use towel to make it warmer. Like you use towel to tie everywhere, like cover it very well so that it will be very warm. At this point, after covering it with towel, I use 2 towels because my oven is small, you all know. So, and this container will not be entering my oven. So you can actually use 2 towels too, even if you are doing it on anywhere in your oven. You can put it in your oven, you can put it in a cooler. But me, my cooler is still small, so I had to use 2 towels and put it inside my cupboard, right? Inside my kitchen cabinet, my kitchen cupboard. So this is the next day. After 10 to 12 hours, I just brought it out. If you like, you can leave it up to 15 hours or so, but to keep fermenting, right? So this is me bringing it out. At this point, this is just yogurt. You can decide to add your sweetener. Okay, this is just normal yogurt, not Greek yogurt, because it still has the water. What are they calling it? The whey or something. I can't remember what they're calling that water again. So, but I decided to strain mine because I am going for Greek yogurt and not just yogurt. You get? I decided to do Greek yogurt and not just yogurt. So this is me trying to tie the cheese cloths. Okay, at this point, yeah, you can see the water already coming out. So after tying it, this thing, it was so difficult for me to tie because the cheese cloth was so big. I was really struggling with tying it. Yeah, I was really, really struggling. But if you have the smaller one, I don't even know if they have the smaller one, just try and tie it very tight so the water can come out. The plate under is just like a wedge you get to wedge it from touching the water that it will be draining out. Then you use something that is quite small, quite heavier to put on top of it so it will just drain the water. Yeah, so this is me tying it. After tying it and putting something on top of it, you put it in the refrigerator. Yeah, you put it in the refrigerator because you don't want it to keep fermenting. Do you get? So after that, this is the water that will come out. This water is small. I've already poured some out. I'm just showing you how it will look. Now, yeah, this is my Greek yogurt. So guys, I made Greek yogurt for the first time and it tasted just like it. It smells just like it. You can't even tell. At this point, I can actually start Greek yogurt business. Trust me, at this point, I can. And it was so thick than the one you see. So this is me showing the empty container that I'll be pouring it in. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just checking how thick it is, and it is so thick for Greek yogurt. You don't need that water in it. So you guys should just prepare. If you want to do Greek yogurt business, I think you should actually consider doing a Greek yogurt business. Please note, I left it in the fridge to drain for 3 to 4 hours before bringing it out. So yeah, this is me showing you guys my final yogurt. The remaining, I had to put them back in the yellow container I used. Okay, so this is the small one. I just had to show off my Greek yogurt. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel for other contents. Bye.